Welcome back, everyone. In this episode, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can add a code preview to your website. So say you work for a software engineering company and you want to be able to add a code preview for a page that highlights SQL, or maybe you have a Python page, or maybe you have a page for a particular program and you want to add some code. If you just come over to Edit, and my dog is near me and she's snoring, so if you guys hear that, that's what that noise is. So if you come over here to where it says Add a new web part, and you scroll down, or you can either scroll down, you can just search code. So once you search code, there's a code snippet option. And from here, you can go ahead and select which language it is. So for us, I'm going to add some SQL. And this just shows the basic syntax to how to create a table using SQL. And then once you're good with that, you can either choose to remove the number lines, or you can even change it from light to dark theme. And there's not much really you can do here besides that. You can do line wrap, and then you can adjust the visibility for mobile and email view. But once you're content with the code preview that you've added, just come over to Republish. And this is how it looks. And users can come in and they can copy the code right from your page.